Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Deloitte NLA finally mass hiring is announced to 2025. Engineering hiring, BCA, BSc hiring and commerce hiring is also there. But in this hiring, there is a shortlisting process. First of all, registration will be there. Shortlisting, they will shortlist you based on your skill set and academic achievement. After that, online assessment, online interview and final result. For that, we are sharing the updated resume format with all of you and step-by-step registration process. Guys, like and share the video. Your one like motivates me to make more videos for all of you. 7 minutes ago, I conducted a live session for all of you. Everything is present. The updated resume format you can download from here. No need to worry about that. Directly go through the drive link, okay, and click on three dots here and download the format. Okay, you can download the format. No need to worry about that. And Deloitte, how to create resume. On their website, they clearly mention how to create great resume. In the world of resume, content is king. Okay, so I will give you each and every explanation. First of all, this is a engineering hiring, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA. This is BSc and BCA hiring, and this is commerce hiring. Okay, BBA, BBM, BMS, BCOM, BFS, everything. Okay, so every link is present here. So when you go to this, you can download option here. So this type of format will be open, and you can you can update your CV according to this. वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अब मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक चीज बताता हूँ. द थिंग इज वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, एज यू कैन सी ऑन माई स्क्रीन दैट दे क्लियरली मेंशन like resume typically have 4 section: profile, overview, skills, achievement, experience and education. It is recommended to keep a 1 page resume only. Okay, आप यहाँ पर 1 page का resume बनाएंगे, no need to worry about that. They clearly mention that कि यहाँ पर आप 1 page का resume अपना यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं. Okay, so the thing is one most important point that I have to mention. Start at the top of resume. You have to provide your name, contact information including valid email address यहाँ पर. Okay, like on that, like this is the first, and in that you have to provide your valid email address and calling number at top of left. अटैच अ पासपोर्ट एट टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर. ओके, लाइक लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में ये सारी डिटेल्स आ गई, राइट कॉर्नर में आपका फोटो आ गया. अटैच अ पासपोर्ट. इमीडिएटली बिलो योर कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन, कंसिडर प्रोवाइडिंग अ रेज्यूमे इंट्रोडक्शन ऑब्जेक्टिव इन द सेकेंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. ओके, third is highlight your skill, provide a list of keyword that capture your technical and behavioral skills. Technical competencies Java, C++, behavioral skill leadership, team player and so on. ओके, थर्ड में क्या आ जाएगा, आपका स्किल्स आ जाएगा, जिसमें आपको ऐसे बतानी है कि आपकी टेक्निकल स्किल्स क्या है एंड आपकी बिहेवियरल स्किल्स क्या है. Fourth is provide educational detail. This section of resume is for educational additional qualification. Okay, provide the name and percentage, CGPA, most recent qualification. Next up is your position of responsibility, certification, project. Instead of responsibility, consider listing accomplishment, learning that you achieved within each position, work all while pursuing any certification. Sixth, other languages known optional and relevant, interest and hobby. So if you see our resume format, so the photo is there, name, email ID, mobile number, LinkedIn ID is there, objective is there. Okay, what they mention in the first at start of test, start top of resume, everything is there, valid email address. After that, second is objective, third is skill sets. Okay, they mention the third is skill set. आप इस टाइप से मेंशन कीजिएगा, टेक्निकल स्किल सेट्स एंड बिहेवियरल स्किल सेट्स. ओके, यू कैन ऐड स्किल सेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू यू एज वेल. एजुकेशन, फोर्थ क्या बोला उन्होंने, फोर्थ इज एजुकेशन डिटेल इन विच दिस टाइप ऑफ 10th 12th आपने कहाँ से करी है. एंड द फिफ्थ इज पोजीशन ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सर्टिफिकेशन और प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो यहाँ पर आप अपने ट्रेनिंग और सर्टिफिकेशन ऐड कर सकते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. And the thing is, sixth is other languages known, relevant, interest and hobby. And you can also mention interest and hobby, and you can also add the projects link as well. No need to worry about that. This is a correct resume format. Okay, आप अपने हिसाब से भी रेज्यूमे बना सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक योर रेज्यूमे बाय ओन बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मेट. ओके, बिकॉज द फॉर्मेट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्लियरली दे मेंशन देयर इज अ शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग प्रोसेस. Okay, there is a shortlisting process. After that, online assessment, online interview and final result. So this is all about the resume. let's discuss about the step by step registration process. But clearly in the engineering hiring 25 batch is eligible for the opportunity, and you should not have applied in the Deloitte in the last 6 months. This is the general expectations from Deloitte. Ability to code in programming language, you can check everything. क्या पैकेज यहाँ पर मेंशन है 4 लाख का, क्या सारी चीज़ें. BCA BSc की हायरिंग ये है, एंड लाइक commerce related hiring is this. How to apply for that? First of all, you have to click on register option here. Okay, you have to click on register now option here. So the AMS portal will be open, जिसमें सारी डिटेल्स रहेगी. consent fill करना है, नेम, like email address, alternate, mobile number, date of birth, current address, pin code, state, okay, education, degree, college, branch, okay, and previous education. In the previous education, first of all, in the education, undergraduate and postgraduate will be there. Undergraduate, you have to choose degree, okay, percentage, what is your percentage CGPA, you can choose the percentage as according to your CGPA and percentage. 12th class, you have to add what is your 10th class detail, year of passing, CGPA, university registration number, gap, do you have any standing backlog, clearly mention no gap less than 1 academic year. Okay, so no standing backlog. Have you appeared for assessment interview process in the last 6 months? No. Do you have any offer? Are you open to internship? You can choose any of the date in between that. Are you Indian citizen? Do you have any exciting offer, existing offer from Deloitte, Hesdin or any of the company? Do you have prior experience, former employee of Deloitte? No. Professional certification, if you have professional certification you can choose and add, otherwise no. Additional certification, you have to give your placement details, placement team name details, okay, faculty full name, faculty email ID and mobile number, photo, and we have to click on submit option here, and they will send the verification code to our email ID. So let's check the verification code. Okay, and this is the complete process. We can set that email verification, we got code, okay, 279427. okay, fine, verify. We need to verify your email ID before apply. This is on Hire Pro. So suppose if they have details, so they will fetch your details. Okay, so if they have previous of your details, so they will fetch, otherwise the registration will be successful. Okay, so we have to wait. Okay, fine, registration is successful. Your registration, we will send future update on your registration email ID, Deloitte recruitment team. This is the process of Deloitte NLA. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video.